What if I told you 2025 was the year to build passive income? Not next year, not someday, but now. And the best part, you won't be doing it alone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Kevin. I create content about self-development, finance, investing, and overall growth. Today, I'm kicking off 2025 with a passive income challenge, creating a brand new stream of income from scratch, and you can join as well. Now, here's the thing. Passive income is something that works for you for a lifetime. Even when you're not working, you can still earn money while you sleep. Whether it's earning money from content, generating money from selling products, or building a passive income stream from dividend investing, passive income could give you freedom and flexibility. And here's the biggest realization I've had. It does not happen overnight. It takes strategy, effort, and most importantly, consistency. That's why I created this challenge, to give you guys a confidence boost and show you that with small steps and consistency, you can also build a small stream of income for yourself. So what's the plan? Here's how the challenge is gonna work. On month 1, we're gonna do our research and planning. We'll explore some ideas and pick our first income stream, which we will stick to for the whole year. Months 2 to 6, we will build. We'll take action, whether it's investing in dividend stocks, starting an Etsy store, or creating a digital product. Lastly, months 7 through 12 will be dedicated to optimization and diversification. I'll scale what's working and explore additional streams of income if necessary. Every month, I'll share an update on my progress, what's working, what's not, and how much I'm earning. I'll also give you actionable steps so you can follow along and build your own passive income streams. Let's talk about January, our foundation month. First, we gotta pick an income stream. I'm leaning more towards dividend investing and building an Etsy shop. Secondly, we have to set up our tools and systems to allow us to be successful during this challenge. In this case, it will be our investment apps, our market research for our Etsy store, or our content planning. And thirdly, we have to set small but achievable goals to maintain momentum. Whether it's $100, $500, or $1,000 a month that you're aiming for, drop down in the comments what your 2025 passive income goal is, and let's keep each other accountable. And I can't wait to see what we can accomplish together. I'll see you on the next one.